How to find hidden photos on your Samsung device. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to tap on your gallery, and then guys, you're going to be tapping on the three dots at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now you're going to be tapping on hide albums. Now guys, as you can see, these are the list of albums that I have, but most of them are not being displayed in my gallery because they are hidden. This is how you can find your hidden photos on your Samsung device. Now if you don't want them to be hidden anymore, you just have to toggle this off. When you go back into your gallery, as you can see, there are no more 4 albums again. You can see I have so many of them. Now the best way to do this, just in case you have maybe a particular photo you don't want anybody to see, you can pick that particular photo and create an album for it, and then you want to go ahead and repeat the process by tapping on the 3 dots, go to hide albums, and then you want to hide that particular album. And that is exactly how you can find hidden photos on your Samsung device. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.